Are you able to share your screen?
Yeah,
Hello. Okay,
yeah.
okay, good. Let me make you first. Yeah. Can you share your screen now? Can you join through mobile, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Then I'll share my screen, no issues. Let me reclaim the host. Mm. Now I'll share my screen. So in last couple of sessions, we were discussed about the Jira. What are the options available in Jira? Okay, story, bug, task, epic. We discussed, right? I hope you remember everything.
Hmm.
Okay. Then we discussed about a couple of topics called Scrum values and principles,
Yeah.
right? So similarly, so we will be having couple of Agile values and principles. Okay. I just want to discuss and consider Agile values and principles in Scrum. I'm just typing it in Agile. Let's see what is there. Okay. So mixing some couple of things, right?
Hmm.
So this is very, very important, Madhuri. Okay, so let's see. Um, so you can see Agile values from Agile Manifesto.
Agile Man.
Okay, so I'm taking this and I just want to explain you one thing. Agile Manifesto and principles both are same.
Hmm.
Got it right? So
Yeah.
these principles, Agile Manifesto, from these things, okay, they have taken they brought four out of these principles. So if you know 12 these 12 principles, automatically you can understand the values. Okay,
Hmm.
let's compare. So you know, right, our Agile is completely speaking about the project level.
Project level.
Scrum means team level.
Team.
So let's see. So what they're saying is you can see Scrum is built on Agile. So these four values guide in the Scrum activities. What is the first value? Individuals and interactions over the process and tools. Okay. It means it's very simple. Okay. So you know, right? Individuals and interactions in the sense. So every day you will be going to connect with the team in the stand-ups, right?
Hmm.
So that is nothing but this. So here they mentioned, yeah, you can see here, stand-ups, collaboration and transparency. People should communicate clearly are most important than tools. So instead of using a lot of tools, doing a lot of stuff in the tools, they can simply communicate. So let me explain the scenario. For example, you had a discussion in the your daily you will be having stand-ups, right? Every day you will be having stand up, am I right?
Hmm.
In stand up, There is some issue. Okay. So usually in stand-ups in office environment, na, everyone will come at one place and they will stand and they will discuss. Let me show you. Show you some images. Yeah. So in office, okay, there will be some room. Everyone will go there and they will put like this some sticky notes.
Mm.
Okay, these sticky notes nothing but the sprint tickets.
Mm.
They'll just mention ticket number and single summary, high level summary. And you as a scrum master, you will be going to ask what are in to do, what are in progress, what are in done. Okay, team
Mm.
will they will explain and they will remove the stick and they will put it in the in progress from in progress to done. At the same time, you will update in the Jira as well.
Mm.
But you will encourage your team to join in your meeting and discuss about it and move the stories. Got it right?
Yeah.
So what will happen instead of discussing a lot? Simply you can stand at one place. You can get all the information instead of depending on many tools and depending on many meetings. And ask them to update that ticket, this ticket, and all. Instantly, you can ask them to come for a room. You can stand there, and everyone will explain their tickets. Got it?
Mm.
So this is how it will happen. Individuals and interactions. Second thing, working software over comprehensive documentation. It's very simple. Okay. Instead of preparing 1,000 lines of documentation or 100 papers of documentation, simply you can make a software to be work and you write it a high level. Okay. Let me explain.
Mm.
What is working software? Anything that you are preparing something. But okay, that is a working software. Understood, right?
Yeah.
For example, you created app. Okay, in the app, sign up is there, login is there, forget
Mm.
password is there, and you are able to making some transaction. That is
Mm.
working software. Your focus should be more on working software rather than creating a document.
Mm.
People, in some of the organization, people are very interested in creating the big documents. So they are saying instead of creating big documentation, you deliver something useful frequently. Okay,
Mm.
because every sprint 2 weeks of duration. In the 2 weeks of duration, they'll prepare something, right? You got it right. So
Mm.
this is what they are saying this. So you can see in Scrum, each sprint delivers the potential shippable product increment.
Mm.
Means in every 2 weeks of duration, you are delivering a valuable thing to the client. You got it right?
Yes.
Yeah. And third one, customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Instead of saying strict contracts, okay? So for example,
Mm.
I'll give you a small example. So in OTP page, okay, initially they ask the OTP for 4 digits. Okay.
Mm.
Later he changed the 6 digits OTP. Okay. Two
Okay.
digits are increasing. Means it is one change in UI. Means front end. One change required in the back end. Back end in the sense you're supposed to get the OTP, right? If you trigger something, you will get the OTP.
Yes.
Am I right? So
Yes.
for
Yes.
that, if they are asking something, you can ask them to give you a ticket and we'll do it. Okay. You should not go and
Mm.
say that it's not in the contracts. You should not say that. Okay.
Mm.
So whatever the documentation you have given, we will follow that only. You should not say that. We are following the Agile methodologies. It means we are very flexible to the client that whatever he desire, we will deliver it.
Mm.
Okay, that is the motto behind this Agile.
Mm.
Okay, so what we are saying here, involve in the customer regularly.
Customer.
Okay, instead of sticking for the
Mm.
okay rigidly contracts means strict contracts. Instead of being with the strict contact, interact with them, take their requirement and do it. If anything in the building wise, you just discuss with the team management.
Mm.
They will take care of that. Got it right?
Yes. Yes.
So here you can see in Scrum, productive owner represents the customer. Okay, the backlog refinements happening continuously. Okay, there are
Mm.
backlog. It means you will get the complete requirements, right? You will get the
Mm.
requirements every week.
Mm.
Okay, so whenever there are some contracts, I mean, some kind of product, increment or product grooming sessions are happening. So you listen them and you can, whatever, if they are changing something, accept it.
Mm.
Okay. Fourth point also, it's quite similar to that. Responding to the change over following a plan. If they are asking something to do it now, you are middle of the sprint, okay? They're asking you to do something.
Mm.
Yes, we are ready. So change is welcomed even in the late deployment development. Okay. In Scrum, flexible backlog, adoption and inspect is required. Got it right? Do you want any more explanation over there?
Mm.
Do you need more explanation?
No. 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 No.
You got it right. Yeah. Now see,
Yes.
there are 12 principles. Some people will ask you in the interview what are the 12 principles. Or some people may ask you twistedly, may you know the Agile Manifesto, or something like that they will ask. The first and foremost high priority is customer satisfaction. Satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery. Okay, it means every sprint
Okay.
we aims to deliver some value. Got it right?
Yes.
You know, right? You created sprints, right? In every sprint, you are going to deliver something valuable to the client. Am I right or not?
Yes.
And welcome the changes. So backlog can be changed at any time. So we should be ready to welcome the changes.
Yes.
Okay. So and you can see deliver working software frequently. So here they mentioned 1 to 4 weeks, but preferably it's 2 weeks sprint. 2 weeks
Mm.
is the right one. If
Mm.
client demands
Yeah.
for 3 weeks or 4 weeks, we can accommodate that as well. But 2 weeks sprint is
Okay.
suitable for everyone.
Mm.
Okay, and as you see, for business and developers must work together
Developers.
daily. Hmm. Business in the sense it's kind of the stakeholders or product owners, something like that. And developers in the
Mm.
sense whoever the developing the software development and testing together. Okay, they all together work
Mm.
daily in one positive environment, and they should be like a close communication between the people, dev team, and stakeholders. So that is what the fourth point is referring to. Okay.
Hmm.
So what is the fifth
Hmm.
one saying? Build projects around motivated individuals. It is also very, very important. So because why? Because if somebody doesn't respecting team, somebody is not, you know, doing the things correctly. You know, Scrum values, right? Force,
Hmm.
focus,
Yeah, force.
open,
Focus,
focus,
openness, respect,
mm, courage, and commitment.
courage, commitment.
Yeah. So when somebody is not respecting each other, then problem solved, right? Problem will
Hmm.
start when people are not, respecting each other and they're showing some domination. If some things are happening, so then team won't be, do all the things. Okay. Scrum. So here you can see Scrum promotes self-organizing, empowering the team. So what is the self-organizing? Okay. Irrespective of depending on others, irrespective of depending on something else. You just try
Hmm.
to do it yourself. If something is there, you can discuss it in the daily stand-up. Then team will try to help you to figure out the issues. Okay,
Hmm.
clear, right?
Yes.
And you can see face-to-face conversation is most, like you can see daily stand-up. Okay, sprint planning, reviews, and retrospection is the direct communication. Like in
Hmm.
any organization, if you go, I show you right. So people used to meet in a conference room and they will
Hmm.
discuss in the stand-ups and they will plan everything in the sprint planning. Reviews is nothing but a kind of the demos they will perform and the retrospection will happen. So this kind of the direct interaction will give the more flexibility to understand more about the product.
Hmm.
Okay, that is what they are discussing about the they are encouraging face-to-face conversation.
Hmm.
And the seventh one is working product is a primarily measure of the progress because whatever you develop, okay, whatever you have developed, if it won't work, what is the use?
That's. Hmm.
So the progress is working software. Working product is the primary measure of the progress.
Hmm.
Okay, and each and every sprint, when you are delivering something, okay, when you are delivering something, then only it is the measure of the progress. Means every
Hmm.
sprint you are delivering something that is going to be work.
Hmm.
Okay, so that's why they mentioned it, focus on the increment of each sprint. Okay,
Hmm.
you got the point.
Yeah. Element of it.
Okay, maintain the sustainable development pace. Means it's very simple. For example, you have 10 members of team.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
so each for each resource you will maintain 8 story points.
Hmm.
Okay, so 8 into 10, 80 story points that you have to deliver in a sprint.
Hmm.
Okay, so first sprint you delivered 80, second sprint you deliver 85, and third sprint you deliver
Hmm.
50.
Hmm.
Then
Hmm.
you should ask as a team members why you delivered 50 story points because it's 80, right?
Hmm.
Even if you're not, even you delivered 85 in the last sprint, but what
Hmm.
happened now in the current sprint, the team? Then
Hmm.
you have to speak with them, each and every individual, and you have to figure out what exactly the reasons it is affecting the development pace.
Hmm.
And you need to ask your team to maintain that sustainable development pace. And pace in the means it's a it's a speed,
Hmm.
whatever you are delivering. Okay. And you can see continuous attention in the technical excellence. It is also very, very important. If your team is technically very effective on excellence, then your team is very strong, then you can able to deliver whatever it is required. Got it, right?
Mm.
Tech is secret. See, you can see here refactoring. Refactoring and good coding practice and automation encouraged. What is the refactoring in the sense? Whenever you are working some software, if it is needed some changes, okay, then we will say it as a refactoring. Okay. For example,
Mm.
one of the developer is there. He worked on login functionality. Whenever
Mm.
he is entering login username and password, it is working, but it is taking 2 minutes of your duration.
Mm.
Will you like it if something is you want to log in, but if you want to log in, it will take 10 minutes. Will you like that app?
Mm.
You don't like it, right? So
Yes.
who will wait for 5 minutes or 3 minutes for
Yeah,
login?
exactly.
So that kind of performance issues will going to fix it in the refactoring.
Mm.
That is the good coding practices. Okay.
Mm.
So you have to encourage your team to maintain that technical excellence.
Mm.
Okay, that is about they are speaking here. Okay, and the
Okay.
one is simplicity. What is simplicity? Maximizing the work. Okay, it's very simple. Whatever you plan, you deliver it. Okay, for
Mm.
example, as I told you before, the same example, 10 people are there. Each team members are supposed to deliver 8 story points.
Eight.
It's 80. Okay, you have to deliver that 80 story points in that particular sprint.
Mm.
And the next sprint, take around 80 and
80.
deliver it. So what you are doing instead of doing lot of stuff at a single place, you are slowly splitting into simple chunks. Okay, those are
Mm.
sprints, and you
Mm.
are going to deliver it. That's it.
Mm.
Okay, and you can see self-organizing teams. Okay, self-organizing in the sense, as we discussed before, it's very simple. Okay, saying that your whatever your team is there, they should be able to do it their own.
Mm.
Okay, that work has to be done, without taking extra time, or without taking too much of time. Like some people, if you ask a small work now, they will take a lot of time, and they'll say they will be having the dependency on other. Until you ask, they won't tell you anything.
Mm.
So that is not acceptable. So whatever you are going to tell to the team is self-organizing. You have to do it
Mm.
for your team. That's it. As because
Yes.
of their paying, you have to do it for your team.
Mm.
Okay. And regular reflection and adaptation. Regular reflection in the sense it's very simple to understand. So whatever the inputs in the retrospection. Okay. So
Mm.
right, a retrospection we discussed in the conference.
Mm.
What went well in the sprint, what did not go well in the sprint, what are the action items
I.
that we can take. So okay, all these sprint retrospection things, whatever the action items are there, that we have to work and improve the process. So that is what they are discussing about this entire Scrum values, sorry, Agile values and principles. Is it clear?
Yes.
So, so see how Agile values and principles are mapped. So you can see deliver value frequently means sprint. Customer collaboration is a product owner. Okay, respond to the change means backline refinement, individuals and interactions, daily scrum, continuous improvement, retrospection.
Hmm.
Cooking product means dunning the increment. Is it clear? You can just check it out once. Just scrolling up.
Okay.
Okay, just check it. What are the four Agile values? Can you just spell it out?
Agile values from the Agile Manifesto.
Yep. You just read out this bold one.
Individual and interaction. Actually, your screen is not that much visible to me to read.
Wait, I'm sorry.
I
Mm.
make it zoom or
Yeah, I did
individuals
it.
and interactions over process and tools.
Mm.
Uh, Working software over comprehensive documentation.
Okay.
Customer collaboration over contact negotiation.
Mm.
A responsibility to change over following a plan.
Mm. What are the 12 principles?
Safe, sat, set,
Satisfy.
satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery.
Mm.
Welcome changing requirements.
Mm.
Deliver working software frequently.
Mm.
Business and developers must work together daily.
Mm.
Build projects around motivated individuals.
Correct.
Face to face
Mm.
conversation is most effective.
Mm.
Working product is a primary measure of progress.
Mm.
Maintain sustainable development pace.
Mm.
Continuous attention to technical excellence.
Okay.
Simplicity. Maximize the work not done.
Mm.
Self organizing teams produce best results.
Okay.
Regular reflection and adoption.
Okay. So you got it right. Hope you
Yes.
understood everything, each and every point that we discussed.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the how actually we will maintain the things.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
So somebody come on this, most of the interviews, okay, they'll ask you
Okay.
the questions like this. Scrum Manifesto. Can you brief about Scrum
Then,
Manifesto?
yeah.
Okay, then you have to start like this. Okay, satisfying the customer
And
through
the
early and
customer.
continuous delivery. So like so you have to tell them is very casually. Like every sprint aims to deliver some value. So that we can able to easily satisfy them because they will able to see their product in the life.
Mm.
Okay, in this kind of way we have to explain to the team, interviewer team. Okay.
Mm.
So this is about Scrum value, sorry, Agile values and principles. And the Scrum values and principle last week we discussed, right? In the last
Yes.
session, I
Mm.
guess. So these two together. Mm, okay, where are you now?
I'm in office.
Okay. So are you practicing Jira and are you have activated these Jira things?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm
Just
actually
3 days
I asked
I didn't touch my laptop.
laptop. Mhm. Okay, fine. You do one thing. So you just go through that and practice Jira. And if you could able to join with the laptop, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll ask you to create some projects. Okay, creating some tickets.
Yeah, I have
Okay.
created some tickets. So
Yeah.
9 tickets I have created and moved into in progress. I have
Mm,
it as a done.
Okay. So if you were able to, create those and you can share me the screenshots, right? Actually,
Yeah.
I asked you, so I'm in a bit.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. Actually, I was took the screenshots, but I don't know where it has saved in the file. So I have took my
No.
someone friend's help for that. So I have sorted it out now. I can share.
Mm. Okay, you can share that screenshot. So, see, whenever you're taking the screenshot, you just paste it in the WhatsApp. You just open the WhatsApp, my number, and control V.
Okay.
That's it. That's it. You can able to
Okay.
paste it. That's it. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
It's a very simple process. Okay. So you
Okay.
just after you copy it, you just paste it. That's it.
Okay.
So that I can able to see, what you are doing and how the progress is going. And if I keep on telling and going now, you can't able to catch the things. So that's
Yes.
the
Yes.
actual worry point here.
Yes.
Okay, so just go through this and I'll upload this video as well in a few minutes. Okay, so
Okay.
please revise the sessions whatever you have gone through all this, so that we can discuss further points later session.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay, so
Yeah.
if you have any doubts in between session or in a previous session also, you can reach out me so that we'll
Sure.
try to fix the things. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Anything else you want to share with me?
No.
Yeah, right. All these stuff which we discussed. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Please prepare well. I want to keep some, uh, mock interview kind of thing. Just you have to join and create a couple of projects so that I can understand how much the practice we have done and whether we can go deeply or we can stay for some time to learn or something like that. I'm thinking.
Okay. Okay. Understand.
Yeah. So if you do practice now, it will become very easy for you and
Yes.
me
Yeah.
together. So that's the reason. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay then. Yeah. Bye. See
Yeah.
you
Bye.
later.
Bye.
Bye. See you later.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thanks for the class.
Yeah. Yeah. No issues. Thank you.
Yeah.